Hello boys and girls, there is my cameraman. What's up? You ready?
I'm ready, my friend.
You ready to shoot?
I hope you're gonna mute this.
No, I'm not gonna mute anything.
Like beep.
I have to say one thing about you, man. You're very lazy.
Very lazy, my friend, yes.
You sleep till 3 fucking p.m.
That's because you wake me up. If you didn't wake me up, I would sleep more, my
Yeah.
friend.
And I need him here about 10 o'clock in the morning and he shows up at 4 o'clock. So we have about 20 euros. We go into the shop and get some products. We're gonna try to make the best of it.
Because we're fucking broke.
Yeah.
Because we're broke, that's why.
Yeah, we're broke as fuck.
Broke.
It's not a budget.
We're chipping in 10
each. Just trying to have a nice, really nice, decent dinner for 20 euro, which is possible. Get some steak, so we're just trying to see what's.
I like steaks.
Yeah, just want to see what's on the discount, and we'll go from there. Right. See you guys in the shop. What about this one?
What's that? 8 euro.
Yeah, fuck it. Okay. 8 euro for this.
There's so much fat in there, man, no?
God, oh, that's the nice part.
That's the worst part, man.
That's a nice part.
I hate fat. You know? Like there's 2 fat people I see right now. 1 fat guy, 2 fat cow. Oh, that's...
Corn, 99. Do you want that?
Sure.
You like corn, do you?
Yeah, I like one.
Oh, hold on. Do you want this or do you want
No, this is perfect. The small
this one? Let's spice it up, yeah?
Oh, we gonna spice it up.
It's too much. Don't want that
We gonna
much.
spice it up. Just get one, put it in your pocket, George. No one will see you. We're no thieves up in here, by the way. I was just joking.
I'm gonna make mash.
I was just gonna say that. You should buy the powder, man.
No, fuck the powder. No, I'm not gonna. Are you calling me a fake chef?
He's such a fake chef. He doesn't even know it. My friend over there.
Where?
See, I know where fresh cream is because it's always in the same bit.
Oh, how much is that?
It's 1.99.
500 ml, is it?
Yeah.
2 euros. What's
Yeah, get beetroot.
steak?
Huh?
It's steak. No, it's already red.
But what? Too much, yeah?
Carrots.
Carrots, my friend.
Baby carrots?
Baby carotas.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure. Dude, look at the size of this. What is this called?
Shallots.
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 Is that not an onion, no?
It's like onion but sweeter.
Okay. Yeah, this is full of fat. I don't like it. Mr. Bombastic, fully fantastic.
Okay, here, look.
Yeah.
So the total came out to 15.19. So we spent about 15 euro.
Don't mind the 20 cents.
Yeah, don't mind. I'm just gonna show you what we bought. So, 2 ribeye steaks. That's aged Angus ribeye steaks. Some asparagus, baby carrots, some corn, shallots, and also we bought some potatoes, which I blanched, and I'm gonna fry them in the pan. What we are going to do is just gonna blanch these baby carrots, asparagus, just show them all in there. About 4 minutes, it should be brown. Then take them out, and we're gonna fry them in the pan again. So it should be really simple, really easy. Slice the potatoes. The ones that we have blanched, we're gonna slice them in half, just like this. What do you think? Should be enough?
More than enough.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So?
Perfect.
Alright. It says coffee on it, but it's actually salt. The trip one. So it's a sea salt.
Why didn't you use Himalayan salt? No, that's too much.
No, yeah, it's too expensive.
That's on the next video, you know.
Too fancy.
Right now we're doing budget salt.
Yeah, we tried to be on the budget, like 15 euro bought. The asparagus, I had it in the fridge, so I didn't pay for it exactly today, but I actually paid for it before.
I was waiting for you to mention that.
Yeah.
But you didn't forget.
Yeah, it's not exactly 15 quid because asparagus would set you back another
50 cents.
No, not 50 cents. The bunch would
16 euro max.
Yeah, altogether would come out about 17 euros. So still,
if you're lazy.
Alright, this
you
should
could...
be about it. That's already that's nearly done. Yeah. So I'm gonna find it in the pan. So I'm just gonna blast chill them now. Cold water so they stop cooking.
Okay.
To make sure the pan is smoking. You know that?
Where's your shield, man?
Shield, man.
You need a shield for this.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's gonna fit. Do you think it's gonna fit, guys?
Yeah, it has to.
Yeah,
just about.
So much fat, huh?
That's where the flavor comes from. Yeah. So that's nearly done. So now from here we go in on a tray into the oven. Leave it there for a couple of minutes, 10-15 like I said, and that'll be it. Look at these beautiful babies. Damn. Done. Fucking hot.
Don't try this at home.
Right, here. So I left them outside at room temperature. Just like that. Just make sure you pat them down so it's sizzling straight away. Oh yeah, that's the sound you wanna hear.
How long will that take?
About 5-6 minutes.
That's it?
Just gonna open them up and throw them in there.
Just like that?
Yeah.
You can take off the...
Yeah.
No? That's so juicy, huh?
So the face of these beautiful bad boys. Oh yeah, there you go. Good shit. It's nearly there.
Butter?
Yeah.
Would you just look at that?
Would you just look at that? I'll put it in there again. Some salt.
Oh. See that skill?
Now we're gonna make a pepper sauce from that. Something really simple. We just fresh
From
cream.
scratch?
Huh?
From scratch?
Right.
Or you make from scratch?
Yeah.
Or you have the powder?
No, the fuck the powder, man.
He doesn't like powder.
No, not powder. There we go, the asparagus.
Look at that.
Look at these bad boys, man. Put few on the plate. Just throw them on there, doesn't matter well, in what direction. Just make them look nice. And from there, we got our carrots. Just like that. Oh. There you go. From there, touch more salt here, because I didn't put any salt on this. Okay. And there we go with this asparagus. Okay. Just like that. Just give them some sort of shape so they look nice on the plate. From there, up. From here, we go. Just like that. The garlic done the job, so I'm not fucking with that thing. Cream. There you have your pepper sauce, just let the reduce and that's it. That's my sort of pepper sauce. Very simple, very easy. No blah blah, no BS. That's it. Done. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, damn.
Oh yeah, look at these now. It's nice.
Do you think it would have been nice if you would have put garlic in this sauce?
There was garlic in there.
Was there?
Take close up. Come on. Don't be shy. Close up.
You're blocking the thing with the hand.
Okay now?
That was good.
Oh yeah, baby. That's what I call dinner. Oh yeah. Nice. Mmm. Fucking good one.